everyone. My name is Devika Divasan. I am doing my fifth year in MA Development Studies. I'm here to talk to you about the Fifth Estate and my experience with it. So, to start off, the Fifth Estate is the official news and media body of IIT Madras. Their work mainly involves covering all sorts of happenings, be it events, incidents, or anything that happens on campus, and also to kind of give a glimpse of what the student life is on campus, mainly in literary format. So they're basically the journalistic entity of IIT Madras. They do reportings, but also uh, write about other aspects of student life. And so the team is mainly composed of four verticals. Uh, there's the press vertical, the research vertical, the design vertical, and the podcast. So the press vertical is the biggest vertical within the team. It's composed of, I think, around 15 to 20 press correspondents and editors, 5 to 6 editors. These press correspondents are the ones who write about the happenings on campus, the reportings, the different articles. They are the ones who pen these articles. And if you have any tendency towards writing, uh, like any kind of writing also, or if you have like even a tinge of journalistic intent, you should definitely consider this position. uh, More than just writing, it's also fun in the way that like you get to explore different things, you get to interview personalities, you get to explore like the backstories of things. uh, you also get to like obviously get a chance to investigate things that happen on campus. So there's a very wide variety of like things you can do by being a press correspondent. The editors are the next level of this. They're like the ones who head this team of press correspondents. They are also very much keyed into the whole guiding of T5E, the whole direction of where T5E is going with regards to the kind of content, with regards to the overall editorial policy. They decide what kind of things are to be reported on. So the editors are like kind of heading this team. And moving on to the next vertical, the research vertical, they mainly concern themselves with conducting surveys. So this is also a very sought after POR within T5E because uh, you get to play around with a lot of data. You get to like get a lot of insights as well. And the primary surveys that T5E conducts every year are like the placement survey, where obviously they look at the stats of like how many people are placed or what kind of companies, profiles, etc. This is very useful for students. And they also conduct an exit survey, um, where the graduating class gets to fill a survey, which gives a lot of insights about different things, be it like how their CG was, um, or like PORs, how their PORs were. So you get a lot of insights about that. And they've also done a survey on institute mental health. They've also done a survey on institute food. So there's a lot of freedom with regards to what kind of surveys you can take up. Obviously, with the team gets to decide that. So this team is headed by research heads, who head a team of analysts, research analysts. So yeah, that's a very sought after vertical within T5E. And another vertical is the podcast vertical. Uh, the Fifth Estate used to have a podcast called Vox Populi. That was, I think, until last year. And then last year we started uh, with a new podcast, collaborating with a new podcast called Insti Fun Days, where, like the name says, it's basically talking to a bunch of people within campus and finding out, getting the fun days of like, be it different teams that they've been part of or different companies that they plan to join or internships or anything. So it's basically getting fun days from a bunch of people. So it's very unscripted and more free reigning as compared to the press vertical because it's conversation. So the podcast head um, runs a team of podcast hosts, uh, And the last vertical is a design vertical because, like everything else in the world right now, design is very important. So this is done by a design and social media head. It's run by that a design and social media head, and there's a bunch of design correspondents under the social media design and social media head. So this vertical also is looking forward to like getting cartoonists or caricaturists who like to make designs and like anything design, like it doesn't have to be like you have insane experience in design like Photoshop or After Effects. You can also just have basic experience in Canva but have a vision. If you have an eye for design, then you should definitely consider the design team. So that's the teams of T5e. I'm assuming that freshies are going to be watching this video. So if you're freshies, you should definitely be considering joining T5e as a press correspondent or as a research analyst or a podcast host or a design correspondent, because you get to play around with a lot of things. You get to also have an opportunity to have your work published. By the way, you can find all of T5e's works if you Google the Fifth Estate, IIT Madras. You'll find our website and you can like find a lot of our content on there. Have a look at like the different kinds of content that we put out over the years. I'll speak a little bit about the history of the Fifth Estate. I think I forgot to speak about that in the beginning. The Fifth Estate was started by a team of people who were already running a previously existing blog called the Fourth Estate. So I don't know if this is known, but I'll just quickly explain the meaning. The Fourth Estate is supposed to be like another word to refer to the media. So yeah, the Fifth Estate was born out of that. It was more of like an online thing. The Fourth Estate was a magazine, and the Fifth Estate turned out to be an online blog kind of thing. And it was born in 2009. Again, you'll find this in this information in the website as well. But I'll quickly go into my experience with the Fifth Estate. So I'm in my fifth year right now, and in the 4 years that I've been on campus already, three of them I've spent with T5e. In my second year, which was also during the pandemic, I was a press correspondent and a design correspondent. And I was someone who had never seen Insta before. And the Fifth Estate, being a press correspondent at the Fifth Estate, kind of helped me stay in touch with what was happening on campus. I mean, what was happening with IIT Madras and everything. It also got me, I was mainly interested in writing fiction. So I wrote a lot of satire, I didn't do a lot of reporting because obviously I'd never been to campus. But I got to write a lot of satire stories. I got to write a lot of fictional stories related to campus. And you can always argue and say it's not really what's happening on campus, but then at that time, like nothing was happening on campus. So that was honestly like that was very fun for me. And I also got to design. I had very basic knowledge in Canva, and I got to design a lot of things. And the team is very wholesome. It's a huge team, so I did not get a chance to meet everybody, but everybody in the press team was super wholesome, and it literally wasn't a question for me to continue the next year. So the next year, my third year, I was continuing as editor, and here I didn't do much writing. I was mostly heading a team, or like not a team exactly, but I was heading a bunch of press correspondents, and the editor is basically guiding the correspondence with how the article goes ahead. You're not just doing basic grammatical checks, you're also kind of having a whole idea. You're also involved. If it's an investigative piece, you're also involved with finding out information. You're kind of more journalistic, less writing kind of thing. So I also got to sit in team meetings and like discuss overall views or like how or overall paths that the fifth estate should take. There's a lot of things that happen behind the scenes in T5e that not a lot of things get published as well, because there's a lot of thought that goes behind everything that gets published, like any other journalistic body anywhere, honestly. So that was my second year in T5e, and in my third year, my fourth year, I got selected as the executive editor, who is basically the head of the Fifth Estate. And that was a lot of responsibility. I was heading a team of around 45 people, but I was heading different verticals as well, and it was a lot of responsibility. But with that responsibility, I also got a lot of fun because I was learning a lot of things. The learning curve was insane in that year, not just in terms of team management and like organizing and like logistics, but also in terms of um, the position that the fifth estate holds with regards to dealing with the admin or dealing with other student government bodies like other secretaries as well. So you get to like have a lot of time with admin, one-on-one time. You have to talk to them and like figure out how to like talk about stuff. There's a lot of work that goes on there. So in that sense, it was more of me stepping out, like seeing T5e in a broader perspective. But yeah, enough about that. Why you should join T5e? You should join T5e because it's honestly the most flexible and the most welcoming POR on campus. You don't have to be, only second years don't become press correspondents. We have final years as press correspondents. In fact, I might even consider joining as a press correspondent if they'll have me, that is. But it's a very flexible POR. There's no strict, year-based hierarchy. It's more of a team of like passionate people working together because this is a team that's built upon years and years of passionate people just coming together and working and just writing and talking about stuff that they really like and talking about stuff on campus that they really like or discussing things that students are very passionate about. So it's like a startup kind of environment. It's not very bureaucratic. It's very flexible and very welcoming and very wholesome. And your work is always going to get recognized. It's not like your work goes unrecognized ever. And and it's a team that is going on throughout the year. There is no start from scratch thing at all. Like you have people staying, you have a network to go back to go get back to in terms of like asking questions. You're also connected to another network of other IITs and other IIT news bodies as well. So in that sense, the fifth estate is, in my opinion, the best choice I could have made in terms of PORs in my college life. So yeah, this video has gone on for long enough. I hope you guys understood what the Fifth Estate is. Definitely check out the Fifth Estate Instagram. Check out the Fifth Estate's website. Like I said, the Fifth Estate, IIT Madras. Google it, you'll find it. And yes, best of luck.